Good morning, students. Myself, UK Singh, science teacher, and I, Sir Muniti Dhanbal. Today, we will going to continue with the same chapter, that is some natural phenomenon. So, in previous class, we have studied that how one should avoid being a target of lightning. Okay. Now, when you're inside your house, what precaution one should take? First of all, you should remain in the house. Don't move to outside. Avoid taking a bath. Avoid bathing during lightning. Unplug all the electric appliances, especially computers, TV. Okay, electric appliances. However, the electric light do not cause any harm. Okay, so one should keep such what you can say precautions. Also, don't avoid talking through phone, especially in a landline, because they are wire connected. So electric current can enter into this kind of circuit. Okay. Now, lightning conductors. What exactly are lightning conductor? Lightning conductors are actually a metallic rod which is placed over the building. Now, what is the basic purpose of this lightning conductor? Actually, they are made up of metals, and we all know that metals are a good conductor of electricity. So, whenever lightning discharge occurs, the metals pick up the discharge and place toward the earth. Okay, so you must be there is a process during the what you can say construction of electric circuit, that is earthing. So this procedure is very important if one want to keep the house safer from lightning discharge. So this metallic rods or lightning conductors earthens the electric that falls upon the house. Okay, so how does it do it? So when electricity falls on it, there is a circuit which is made which is connected to a wire, and then this wire finally enters the ground. So the electric current is simply via this kind of system is moving towards the ground. Okay, rendering free the house. Okay, so these are the different this is known as lightning conductors. Now the next topic is earthquake. So what exactly is earthquake? Earthquake is the trembling of earth, that is moving of the earth's surface at the fast pace. So there are different instances where we have witnesses earthquakes, especially in our city also. Okay, we have experienced earthquakes, not that violent, but what you can say, the earthquakes are quite common in our city and different cities of our country. Okay, however, the intensity may vary. The intensity, if the intensity is low, it will not cause any sort of damage, but if the intensity increases, it will cause enormous damage. Okay, so earthquake is basically movement of the tectonic plates of the earth due to uh, what you can say activities which is pertain to inside the earth crust. This is known as earthquake. Okay, in the next class we will understand about the different concepts of earthquakes and which kind of devices are used to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. After you get the video, the link will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.